Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So, in this course today we will cover show and hide check in Selenium with examples. So, we have opened Eclipse and created one new class check show hide.java. Okay, so in this I have initialized the webdriver, and three I have created locators. ID I have used. So let's see what I have used. So there is a button like hide, and this input box will disable, and one button is shown, then input box will be displayed. Okay, so what we will do, we will first check this XPath hide text box, hide underscore this hyphen text box, and one more box display text. Okay, so three I have taken here. Then we have taken page factory init element, then click show dot click hide dot click. Okay, it will click on those button. Check now box ID is getting displayed. It is present on the page, not button. And one more I have done, check show hide initialize browser, maximize window, implicit wait, your URL, get title, created the object of a Java class, and click show. Then checking that show box is displayed, click hide, then box should not be displayed. The not I have put there. So let's test it. Run as. Okay, now browser is launching. Browser is launched. Now URL is loading. Yeah, now the operation will start. See, yeah, now I think pass this one is there. Okay, check show is true, check hide is true. Okay, so like this we can verify it. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Please subscribe, like, and do share my video. And if you have any question, please comment. Thank you. Bye bye.